I'm about to show you how to edit good cinematic videos using just your phone and a free video editing software on your mobile called VN Editor. Make sure you watch this video till the very end to see the complete breakdown of how I do my cinematic videos. I'm going to be using an iPhone 15 Pro to get my video footages. I don't know which phone you use, but probably still going to be fine. Just follow these exact same steps. So basically what is going to happen right now is I am going to walk into this scene and take like a close-up of my lower body entering the scene of the video. I'm actually going to hit record right now and take this scene real quick. So let's sit. Now that I'm seated, I'm going to stand up again and then I'm quickly gonna have to change the angle right here without stopping the video, as you can see. Or change it, then I'm going to do the same action again, capturing what like my upper body. I'm simply going to move again and sit. So at the point when I'm sitting down during the editing process, I am going to cut it. So as I show my lower body sitting, I will cut it now and show my upper body sitting down. You get it? Now I'm going to like take an action on my laptop. This is my channel right here. Then I'm gonna sit down and quickly use my mouse to like just open anything that I want to open. Now that is all the footage we need. So I'm going to import all this footage now into VN Editor and we are going to continue from there. The link to get this is in the description below. Now you click this plus button to start a new project. This is my footage. I'm going to click on it and click on this arrow button. You give it some time to process. Now if you shot the video on your iPhone, it's normally going to take this long to process. So now I'm going to go ahead and trim to the first spot. As I walk into the scene, split and then delete the back part. Just as I'm about to sit, I am going to split here. And now you can pinch with your fingers. You pinch with your fingers. It's going to expand the timeline for you. Now I am going to move my playhead to the next point as I am sitting. Now I'll delete the back part. Now we have this nice transition. Okay, now that that is set, we are going to go ahead and move into the next part. Split, delete the back part. Oh no, I'm going to undo. I made a mistake. Sitting down, I split. I can delete this part now. Then we have this. I split again. Show myself with the cube. I delete the back part. We have this. And just like that, we created something that looks a little bit cinematic, don't you think? So what I'm going to do is this VN editor has amazing filters. So I'm going to go ahead and choose A3. I love this filter so much. Go back to filters, click on apply to all so that it applies on all the footage. Now back to filters, I think I'm going to reduce the effect so it's not too much. Apply to all again still. You can go ahead and add your background music in all. Make sure you position your camera correctly in good angles, just like you see me do. Now for the last part of it is this black bars. Elements, click on the rectangle. Now I'm basically just going to expand this. The black bars give it that cinematic feel. Now I'll change the color. Color, choose black. Down here, I'll scroll to the right and under mask, I'll select mirror. I'm basically pinching it, allowing it to kind of centralize, and I'll click on invert. As you can see, I'll span this to the entire clip. And there we go. We have something really, really nice. Now for the last part, music. Music is always nice too. I'm going to add something that I think I already have. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure you leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and follow for more interesting tutorials like this. See you on me next.